share the fight against any responsible mining after say you did the anniversary of eight heroes almost sure last year. But then I was hard on that. Me sure say now monitor me.
Akoma FM 87.9
and is here 1 year na we no or your ba ana bema wo di kuna yeso pa ne tuntum agu ti tuntum mu no yentima anya hwe ye pagu wi a and clear mampani am ye hu say ye pagu because right after that and two of ministries ana omo ministers aka ho no one my substantive ministers and clearly you could see that you say no ye koyenim e frim. And what can we do? And what have you seen in the fight against, or in our quest to see a better responsible mining? That is
87.9.
Well, Sir John, I mean, we are seeing free. I think my position on illegal mining, I had known Kumasi baby in position. I feel that fight Galamsey.
Okay.
Strategy ni nyen komodie sa amete sa nkomo na yenko dialogue nipa no why na adwen say de oni ne beka bia ontie enti sa yenko hia wo mu yenkrokro wo mu adwumani ho bi ye kronfo aye beche no adwumani wo scammers say mu scammers adwuma mu ye ba ye che wo mu enti the argument of adwumani ho metia ne ha me adwumani wo aye nkase nyina yensu aye nom no kona fa awuduro kogum yenkasa kwaya enyina ma ye home tena wiase kona kwasa ni because adwuma ni ho maka ne severally say oman sene oman foforo bi to hye so a se e betume defend ye ho no me wayem hihye kakra because yeti man mu na yankasa ye man fo atuma sorry to oman so sa in this manner na ye ntumi fighting tiadia. What is a guarantee say another country buy so e betumi agina on before you know because ye me mukrafo tuma sorry so aye so domo a ye ntumi nya ho hwe aye kasa bebre. Sir John me ne wo fa PV John to aye adwene say NDC for
87.9
the 2 MPP
and
omunim the 2 MPP and no sa no so a no monam no hwe ye to 2020 abawie ana MPP for say aye Galamsey na ye fight ye no na amaye nkonya so ate abeduru 137 ene ye ho kire ye all the Galamsey prone areas to tia ye intend afri ye jegum so obi anya den entu because ye pese ye bo ya konya ho ban ye pese ye win the next election eno no omune o enti I have always maintained my position say wo mu pe Galamsey no omo do so che omo pe Galamsey and it's elections a game of numbers dia common sense be kira o say ye dodo ne de ne ma wo mu na obewini aba emi fo jai say into Galamsey akosi o mo say and he said ne any se feel say there is some few enkofo bi e wandi simu omo ne Galamsey ho na chairman bi na omo no mo ye na masa election is staring at them and ye wo kroyi mu na abanya wontumi mbo nso a ebe no ho ban de o so aban papa ban an ye na ye say to mama wo abanya you can protect water that we drink in this country. You are useless absolutely into me so bit to one eye so hwe and yes you aban abaye betu a wo belusu aba no na wo lusu na abehu say sanka wo bo ho ban anka betena aba ni mu because ex-president confirm yan say ebeye say wo be a messenger of a ruling government than to be a chairman of an opposition party. Me say the arrest and imprisonment of chairman Wontumi is nonsense. If Galamsey koso my way more, it's nonsense to me because Muslim strategy ni say you will deal with the campaigns that are parachicks are. Omuna employ embody boys ready to come more to Galamsey. Inti a chick a parachick back wa. Ne se wo travel around the country now that's who say Galamsey koswa ne for so ben wo so chama Wontumi chia o demu no for so ben wo so Sir John it's nonsense to me because o strategy ne say boys no mo pit ni mu no to Galamsey no enye o mo ne oni concessions no o mu ni sika o mu ntumi nto equipment a yedi to Galamsey no ne boarding for them to buy and it's true and that you are going to deal with the campaigns. And power campaign back. What did I call Kotum? What did I call Tum? And in Sweden, worse off in this country. What are we doing? The fallen 8 no more obuase akwa say sa me pese meti say akwa me pese meti sa responsible enya galamsey omboa ye said aye ni aseda ye koye responsible de ebe wie no go and check areas so mo lunch sade say then of course we say wonom ena mu general for kwa wo ya abre wo se John wo ya abre wo ya abre because me hwewa I say what can I say the bia wo ka say repeated o reference ho makanda intema wo ya abre
emre ebe ko so
and Erastus okusu ye adwuma but and attention ko dem Erastus wo form because I say Erastus what kasa sa on kasa sa no man e koso no waka ho asem yet krom hanom endro na wo ball wo fidie so when they had cabinet meeting you know could you talk about free ho ba catch them say exactly say Mampeni e declare yaba Mampeni was clearing his thought akosi saying ye massage yet ho na pompo na de ni nam na ho pompo na de NDC belusu election o tom Galamsey betum fa ba mu Ghanaians are watching campaign bi me na be what campaign again are you going to do if you fail to protect our waters? What campaign again? Why are they 24-hour market? Why are they in so ebe no me ewu drogum ye ewu was market ni pendi de no munso was market and they know better than I do. They know omutu munim sa ade omo ye no oman be say you they know
omunim
no obinim na police station echi to Galamsey say awie police station echi to Galamsey the backyard of a police station that is a security zone ye to Galamsey and ya fan say unim omo ya mana say chair dance to we ye bia no aba na we so aba be ye bi na me say MPP and this phone tie me na origin mu say MPP 2020 elections so ai Galamsey no na de ben na omo nya 137 no omo ya majority because no omo ba akoda so and after so after ye jayagum because e pese wi ni aba no omo ne o look at the seat left in parliament and it's a who NDC aban now so who origin mu as regional executives wo man ni mu and am te ha na Galamsey ni cause na am say the ordinary Ghanaian will vote for me because me ye kwan a na ya num so ye be da kopika
kwan so do mo you
e kwan no mo ye ba ya num so aka de ntumi kopwi
kwan do mo ye
in so na si am ba ba no mi na se so no no aseka yes water is a need. It's a need. You know, my any say, and you say, you're too by a day. You're too about pan for so many pan about to say, you two are saying for so many about also. Saying you know, to one of your say democracy. Democracy na ye no. Yen nyina ye to me ahye nkofuko bi so omboye ho ban. Na oboye ho ban akwaye ma ye home. E ma asase be de ma yesu afuo. Insu aye num nya nkotena se ne ye de wuduro ogum. E poison yankase ho ye to wo hwe se ye kwan be na wo ye. E kwan be na wo ye. O man be ni. To o man ye timu ntade e se ntie hu antumi nka. All because of politics. Ye betu ma ye ni. So obi so ye chairman of the constituency. Into no ye Galamsey. Ni ye he no. Kro no ye. What is this? And election losing is staring at them. They know. Omunim. And omu lusun wie e meda no mo ma ye te say obi na am wo mu. They omo na ku omo ho. They know what to do to win. Because
they know what to do.
Oh, exactly. They know to win. Just fight Galamsey and do one or two stuff. Ghanaians can measure progress and vote for you again. Because those times and I for the cast or then Akoma to swa or yeah bibi kakra kra fa ho. And then before we need 2024 elections no. And crop born who money can say there o ma jagumu sa 9 months for no mo ye de o mo ho ana yegu no 9 months o mo gu no say on utu kwan fa o man mu enya o utu kwan obiti kuma say onko ba bia bi obeka so ye fight it. Don't rely on the news what say o mo fight it. Go around and see it's worse now. It's worse. Things are bad. Galamsey is killing this country. No man yet abani faili. Election be Lucy because Galamsey be mo Lucy abano. And they should know this.
Thank you. Bonso, nanom zet sa. Zet sa u fire sa na bozet na bibia de din kama. Zama.
Yes.
Ana prince an kan ye. oh ne ka